Every day this pelican, the cormorant, and the duck hang out on the dock together. On this little lake. The cormorant was used as a fishing bird in Chinese. May still be, I don't know. The Chinese tied strings around their necks and let them dive underwater to get fish. And when they came back up, they would take the fish away. This guy sits out in the same place every day. Cormorant sits close by. Cormorants are birds that you might see drying their wings by holding their wings straight out sometimes. This guy doesn't seem to be bothered by much. Nor does the cormorant.